video, I'm going to tell you everything you want to know about these colanders. They do come in different sizes, different sets. I got the 3-pack right over here. Really like these a lot. They're super easy to stack. They're versatile. I'm going to show you how to use them. We use them right by our sink, which I use for which. We got some pasta boiling over here. We got some blueberries over here. We're going to watch both of them, and I'm going to kind of show you how it uses. So first off, we're going to get a 5-piece rate. A 5-quart, we get a 3-quart right over here, and then we get our 2-quart right over here. This can be used for pasta, washing berries, general kitchen straightening, lettuce, pretty much you name it. It could be used for this. I do like that you have those 3 different options. I do like they are also stainless steel. We use these to replace this. Much better look for the kitchen, for sure. And I do like the fact that you have the different options. They stack into each other nicely. I was a little worried about that it would take up a lot of space, but that is not the case for this. So let's kind of see these in action. So this 2-quart one here, we use for a lot of fruit. If you're not kind of using a ton of the space right over here, you'll see kind of like this. Sometimes when you have a big colander like this, it's just super annoying to wash berries or do something like that. You'll see right over here, it just goes really nicely. It's super easy to kind of go. You strains out nice. We got a nice little bottom right over here. So if you wanted to sit this down on something, similar to like if we grabbed a plate right over here, you would have the ability to sit this down on the feet like that. So the water, your food is not sitting in the water. It's draining down. You'll see the liquids on the plate right over here and not touching your berries. So that's a really nice feature of this. It does a great job too. You can kind of just hold that like that. Really easy. Nice hole size right over here as well. Makes it super easy. Now, in terms of something like pasta, you'll see right over here, nice size right over here. This is the 5-quart. We got 1 box of pasta. So we're just going to put this kind of over here a little bit. It is offset. So these little, like whatever you call these little arches right over here is going to allow you to have this not fully touch the bottom of the sink. So you don't have to, like your food is not sitting in that, which is nice. So we're just going to take our pasta right over here and we're just going to dump it just like that. You'll see here, perfect for pasta. It just comes off just like this. And then you'll see right over here, you kind of just have that. You just kind of get it out just like that. Super easy. Like I said before, again, you have the option to kind of just place it down right over here and let the water go under without touching your food. And then this kind of guy right here in the middle, we could use this for all sorts of different vegetables and things like that. These are dishwasher safe as well, which is nice. So you can put these in the dishwasher if that's what you wanted to do. And I do just like the fact you got these nice sturdy handles right over here that allow you to grip however you want and kind of just go like this. Like I said, this is perfect for pasta. And what I do like about this, these handles are not hot. That was one of my concerns when you dump something hot into here. Are these handles going to get super hot? They are not at all. Like down here, hot. Up here, not at all. Just overall, a great set. Like I said, they're super easy to wash. What we do here, I just put the pasta just like that. And then if you had this, you see it's like a little kind of starchy in there. We kind of have like a nice little sprayer right over here. Just get in there just like that. And all that stuff kind of just goes right out there. That's like a great tip to kind of get that done right away so nothing sticks. And then you'll see here, pretty clean. Really easy to do. You'll notice the pasta and the starches did not get stuck in here at all either. Just a great set. So if you're looking for a great set of colanders, you got your 5-quart, your 3 and your 2. It does come in all different styles, colors, sizes as well. I hope you found this video helpful and you get the right colander set for you.